Tampok iti maysa a pagadalan ti panang ipakita dagiti estudyante. Iti talento da iti panagnegosyo. Babaen iti naisayangkat a Family Day. Anya nga tati impakita dagiti estudyante. Intayamuan iti report ni PTV intern Angelo Garin.
Kaspaset iti Family Day iti St. Louis University, impakita dagiti estudyante ti grade 11 ti nagduduma awagas da iti entrepreneurship. Imparangda kadagiti naganakda ken bisita ti kinaman nagpartuat da iti tay-ak ti cooking ken panagnegosyo. Sigon ken ni Alejandro Pablico, principal ti pagadalan, nasken a maararamid iti naidumduma awagas ti event tapno masurwan dagiti agtutubo nga agbalin a self-reliant a negosyante iti masakbayan.
With these Entrep Day activities of the students, we are somehow teaching them how to manage the resources and somehow come up with sustainable efforts for their survival in the future, and also to add on top of what they will be gaining from their regular profession.
Jaya agimik dagiti estudyante tunggal stalls ti panag-cosplay, sample selling, mobile marketing ken dadduma pay. Paset iti panagsagana da ti umno a panagplano, panagbukal iti business idea, ken panag-advertise kadagiti produkto da.
We teach the students how to make a business plan. And in the business plan, they actually we integrate all of the business processes, including the simulating of their own business idea during the entrepreneurship day. So they need to identify a product or maybe an idea that they could put into reality and which they could also implement during entrepreneurship day.
Para met kada fragile ken siyan,
For me po, it's a really immersive and enjoyable way of bringing together families and students for a great purpose.
For me po, it's very, very fun since we can see different families bonding together, and it's, of course, very fulfilling for the school, and it is very exciting.
sigun met ken ni Rowena kas maysa a naganak, adu dagiti na ipakita a talento dagiti ubing anasken a masustinir.
I think this is a very successful event po kasi nakikita po namin na masayang-masaya yung mga bata itong taon na ito sa aming Family Day.
Nang ipakita pay dagiti estudyante ken naganak, iti performance da. Angelo Garin para iti Pambansang TV, iti Baro a Pilipinas.